Let me continue chi-square distribution. We have the PDF of chi-square distribution with n degrees of freedom, that is x follows chi-square n implies f of x equal to 1 by 2 raised to n by 2 gamma n by 2 e raised to minus x by 2 x raised to n by 2 minus 1, and the limit of x is from 0 to infinity, that is x greater than or equal to 0. Okay, f of x. Now we want to obtain the mode of the distribution. Mode is the value of x for which f of x is maximum. Mode is the value of x for which f of x is maximum. That is, we can obtain mode by solving f dash x equal to 0 and f double dash x less than 0. F dash x equal to 0 and f double dash x less than 0. Okay. So, in order to obtain the mode of a distribution, in the continuous case, we solve f dash x equal to 0 and f double dash x less than 0. Now, we have this f of x, and hence we can obtain, in order to differentiate the function, we obtain log f of x. Okay, log f of x is log of minus log, okay, in the denominator. So minus log 2 raised to n by 2 gamma n by 2, then e raised to minus x by 2, that is minus x by 2, minus x by 2 plus minus x by 2 log e to base a, which is 1. Okay, plus n by 2 minus 1 into log x. Okay, we have log f of x as equal to minus log of this constant into minus x by 2 log e to base e. We have log e to base e equal to 1. So that this becomes minus x by 2 plus n by 2 minus 1 into log x, and differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, we get log f of x differentiated as 1 by f of x into f dash x equal to this constant. This is a constant, so that derivative is 0 minus 1 by 2 plus n by 2 minus 1 into log x, its derivative is 1 by x, which implies f dash x. Therefore, f dash x equal to, what happens? This f dash x equal to f of x into n by 2 minus 1 into 1 by x minus 1 by 2 okay, minus 1 by 2. Therefore, f dash x equal to 0 implies, what happens? This term cannot be 0. So that n by 2 minus 1 into 1 by x minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. Which implies n by 2 minus 1 into 1 by x equal to 1 by 2. That is, we get, on solving, we get n by 2 minus 1 into n by 2 minus 1 into 1 by x equal to 1 by 2. That is, we get n by 2 minus 1 is n minus 2 by 2. On cross multiplication by 2 we get, sorry, that is, we can write this as n minus 2 by 2x. n minus 2 by 2x equal to 1 by 2. That is, which implies x equal to n by 2. Okay, and we can show f double dash is less than 0 at x equal to n minus 2. That is mode equal to n by 2. We obtain mode equal to n by 2. That is mode equal to n by 2. Okay. Mode equal to n by 2. Now we can obtain n by 2, mode equal to n minus 2. Now we can obtain skewness. Measure of skewness can be obtained using the Culpeperson measure of skewness. Measure of skewness equal to mean minus mode divided by standard deviation. As we know, x follows chi-square n implies mean equal to n and variance equal to 2n. Mean equal to n and variance equal to 2n. Therefore, this measure of skewness, that is skewness equal to mean equal to n minus mode is n minus 2 divided by standard deviation as root of 2n, which we get 2 by root of 2n, that is root of 2 by n, which is greater than 0. Okay, root of 2 by n is greater than 0. That is skewness greater than 0 implies chi-square distribution is positively skewed. Chi-square distribution is positively skewed. We know its range is from 0 to infinity, and hence the graph becomes, that is chi-square distribution, graph of chi-square distribution is it ranges from graph of chi-square distribution. Okay, we can draw the curve as from 0 to infinity, and it takes the form like this. Okay, this is the graph of chi-square distribution from 0 to infinity. Okay, and we have chi-square alpha, critical value. Chi-square alpha is defined such that probability chi-square greater than chi-square alpha equal to alpha, that is alpha level of significance. We will define later. Chi-square alpha is the value such that for n degrees of freedom, it is the value such that right tail area equal to alpha. Probability chi-square greater than chi-square alpha equal to alpha. The application of chi-square distribution is in statistical inference, that is in estimation and testing of hypothesis. Okay, thank you.